You ever feel stuck when you see problems like these? Today I'm going to show you step by step what to do, whether the angle is the X value or whether it's one of the arcs that you're trying to figure out. And this is the exact approach that I've used with hundreds of students over the years. So it helps them build confidence. It's going to give you some confidence in what you're doing. And by the end, you'll have a solid plan. So let's make sure that we're clear on the sort of formula that we're going to plug into. This is saying 2 times the angle. The angle, is the one made with these straight lines. So in this number 1, it is 2 times 55. On number 2, though, the angle made by the straight lines, remember angles are made by straight lines, that is what we're trying to figure out. So that is X. So this one is set up as 2X equals, okay? Those 2 different kinds of problems, right? The outer arc minus the inner arc. Well, in both cases, you have to imagine that you're standing on the vertex of that angle. So think about from point C, this is outer space. This is the outer arc. So it is 150 minus the inner arc, which in this case is X. We don't know. And then on this one, from point G, 120 is outer space, which is the outer arc. So 120 minus the inner arc, which is 150. I mean, not 150, but 50. Okay. So that's how you set them up. You can see the problems look different, but now this is not a geometry problem anymore. This is an algebra problem. So 55 times 2 is 110. Okay, 110 equals 150 minus X. So be careful here. Think about that you have X over here and a number over here. So we got to subtract 150 from both sides. 110 minus 150 is negative 40. 150 minus 150, 0. That's why we subtracted 150, was we wanted that to be 0, so it's gone. This is equal to negative X. Do not miss this problem because you don't put negative X and you just move on. All right. If you have a number equals a negative X, you're really dividing by -1, but actually you're just changing the sign. So X is equal to a positive 40. And so that is kind of nice because we know that angle measures have to be positive numbers, and so 40 degrees makes sense. So 40 degrees for this inner angle. Okay, on number 2, I got so much going on right now. My phone's ringing. My daughter just came home. There's some weird truck going by. My husband's texting that he's on his way home for lunch. I gotta be quick. 2X equals 120 minus 50. You want to always start, if you can combine like terms, combine like terms. So 120 minus 50, 70. Now it's just a 2-step problem. We're going to divide by 2. X is 35. So this one came together much more quickly. This angle measure is a 35-degree angle. All right. I hope that helps. I hope I was recording. Take care. Oh, good. I was. Okay.